Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video I am going to be doing a contact lens video. I'm going to be trying on these contacts with you guys. I'm going to be unboxing this box and showing you guys what's in here, and also I'm going to be trying on the contacts and let you guys know my honest opinion about this company. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So this company's name is called the Ttdeye. I heard that that means the third eye. It stands for the third eye. I did not know that, but this is the packaging. This is what the box comes in. It's super cute. Yeah, it's like very colorful, and I don't know, it's cute. So I'm gonna open it. So when you open it, this is how it comes in. Let me see if it's showing. So I'm gonna just go over what's inside the box. So inside of the box, first we have some stickers. This is just very fun, like some stickers, and then with this one, it just tells you how to follow them on Instagram. And then what else comes in the box? I'm gonna open it real quick. This is what it is. I'm not really sure what this is. Let me go in. I'm not really sure what this is, but let me open it to show you guys. Oh, okay, so this is cute. Okay. So this is a mirror. Like, this is really cute, and it has the Ttdeye. Let me get a little close up for you guys. Yeah, so this is really cute. So I guess like you can use it to either, you know, apply your makeup, fix your makeup, or you know, help, you know, put on your contact. I'm not really sure, but this is really cute. Like I feel like it's so small that you can just put it anywhere in your purse, you know, like if you're like going out, you can just take it out and just, you know, reapply your makeup or fix your makeup. Or this, I would say, definitely will come in handy for sure. So thanks for that. So after that comes the contacts. Well, here's there's the contact cases also, and I'm gonna open one to show you guys what's inside of it. So inside of it, so it's like a case within a case. So if you open it, so this is what comes inside it. What comes inside of it is the applicator, where like you can actually put the contact on top of you and then put in your, like, for example, if you have like really long nails, you can just use this to help apply the contacts. I've never really used these. I've seen them, I've seen people use them, but I have short nails, and I've been wearing contacts for years, and I'm used to just using my finger. I'm more comfortable using my my fingers, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I mean, if you do have longer nails and you need help and you're scared to use your hand, you can use this to help apply the contact. I might even try to see if, you know, how I like it. I might just try to use it. And then another thing that's in here is the thong. It's like a little small thong. It's super cute. I guess you can help use it to try to grab the contact out of the case. And then there's cases also where, you know, it tells you if it's the right or the left, which is super nice. So that's that. And then after that, I'm gonna go over the colors I received from there. Oh yeah, I guess there's more stickers. I think this is stickers. Oh no, I think these are tattoos, you guys. These are tattoos. I'm actually gonna give these to my sister because I think she's gonna really enjoy playing with these. So I'm actually gonna give it to her. But I think these are like fake tattoos, so that's cute. And then also this, I'm not really sure what this is, like a confetti, I think. I don't know. It's not even it's not okay. Here you go. So it's like confetti, I guess. I'm not really sure what this is, but I don't know. I just like how everything is just so fun and colorful and bubbly or whatever. and how they put like little gifts in there and stuff like that. So that's really cute. But anyway, so here's the contacts. Here's how they come in. So the first one, this is the first one. Hold on, this is the first one. Their packaging is just really cute. Like, I would say hands down, really cute. And then the name, this one is the Egypt Brown. And then after that, this is the next one. This one is the Euramerican Gray. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that means, but I guess you know, a gray color. And this is how it's supposed to actually look. All right, so that's that. And then here's this one, is the Pearl Gray. I'm excited about the grays because I've never really my sister have gray contacts and I really like hers, like her gray. So I'm hoping these look really nice with my skin tone and it goes well with me, so fingers crossed. And then the next one is the last one, HD Brownness, because I have 4 pairs. The last one is called HD Brownness. All right, y'all, so I have the first one on. So the first one is the HD Brownness. I would say on the camera it looks so much different than what it looks like in person. Let me get a close-up for you guys. Yes, like it's not giving me brown vibes. It looks more like a gray, in my opinion. But this one, I like it though. It's very subtle. It's not too much. You can tell that I have something in my like contact on, but it's not like, you know, like crazy, you know. So this one's not bad, but it's very light. I thought it was gonna be like a more brown, like the rims looks more brown, but on top of my eye it's giving me like a gray vibe. I don't know what you guys think, if you guys can actually see what I mean. They are comfortable. This one's a little uncomfortable. I'm not sure because I kind of dropped this one and I cleaned it again, but I feel like I didn't clean them enough. So yeah, so they're a little uncomfortable. This one feels really good. Like, it feels like I have nothing in my eyes. So I'm gonna try the other one to see how comfortable they are, but so far not so bad. All right, you guys, so this is the second one. This one kind of looks like the first one, but actually no, this one is more gray. It gives like a gray blue undertone, but this one is the Euramerican Gray. I'm gonna put the name up here so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. Yeah, sorry, like underneath my eyes is like smush from like putting them on, but yeah, I like this one too. It's like, it's very subtle too. It's like, it's not too much, it's not, you know, out there. It's really subtle and very flirty. I like this one too. Let me get a little closer for you guys. Yeah, so this is how this one looks. I like this one a lot. This one is a little bit uncomfortable. Not sure why. Now it's this one feels a little uncomfortable. I'm not really sure why, but when I put them in my own contact solution and actually it like washes off all the other things, I feel like they'll settle a little bit more. But these ones are really nice. I really like these ones too. Like, let me know what y'all think. All right, so that's it for this one. All right, y'all, so this one is called the Egypt Brown. You guys, honestly, they all look to me they all look the same. I don't know if y'all can see a difference, but like they all kind of look the same. Like, and it's not like, you know, like in a bad way, because they all look fine. Like, I feel like these are some of the contacts that I can actually wear, like, you know, every day. But they all just look the same. I don't know, let me know if you guys think differently, but I think they all look the same. So what you guys think? of this one. This one is a little bit more comfortable. I don't really feel them or anything, so I would say this one is more comfortable. So this is the vibe it's giving me right now. All right, y'all, so this is the last one. This one is called the Pearl Gray, y'all. This one, let me, like, you know, focus a little bit. Let me get a little closer. This one is giving me very much icy. It's giving me light blue. I feel like on camera the contacts do look a little bit more brighter, but I promise it's not as bad in person, but it is more, it's more, I would say, like snake eye in person. On here it's giving me very icy, ice princess. I don't know, I like this one. This one I would say I wouldn't wear this one like every day. I would probably wear this like on occasion, like, you know, if I'm going somewhere and it matches my outfit, or it matches the look, or if it's the look I'm going for, then yes. But I wouldn't wear this every day. But it is pretty. Honestly, it's really pretty, but I wouldn't say this is like an everyday look. Yeah, so this is this one. And I also forgot to mention, these contacts are prescribed. They can, like, if you do wear prescripted contacts, you can, you know, you do have that option. But if you don't, of course you can also just wear the ones that does not have prescription. But yeah, and these contacts are really affordable, you guys. So I will leave some links of the ones that I got down below, and also a discount for you guys if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these contacts. They are very, very nice, and these contacts do last you a long time, you guys. They say for like 8 to 12 months. Of course, I would say wear them, you know, as long as you feel like you're comfortable with, but I wouldn't wear them for 12 months. But of course, for a few months I would wear them, just, you know, just because. But yeah, these are really, really cute. I think these ones I think are really, really cute. I think it's like my second favorite. My first one I would say would have to be I would say, let me see, the Euramerican. The second one I would say would be like my favorite one, my first pick, and then the second one would be this one. This one is really cute. It's different because I feel like the other ones just looked all kind of the same. They had a little few, you know, differences, but they kind of all just gave the same vibe, the same tone. So I like this one because it's a little different. So you guys can let me know down below which one you guys like. You know, if you like any of them, or if you are thinking about purchasing any of them. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you use that discount code if you are going to purchase. And yeah, you guys should check them out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.